Hi guys, I'm Hajra Kota, a travel and lifestyle content creator. And I've been here on the North Coast for the weekend and it's been amazing. From coming here to Zinkwazi Ocean Reef Hotel, to quad biking, to even tree trails, like what more could you ask for?
We made our way to Zimbali for a super relaxing spa experience, and we also had lunch at the Zimbali Beach Club, which is also one of my highlights. And so far what I have to say about KZN is it's not just a destination, it's a whole experience. It's the people, it's the beaches, it's the cultural experience, it's so much more.